Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that? Here we have to find what is the area of shaded region. So here they are given two shaded regions in the one square box. So in that they are already drawn two semicircles. What are the two semicircles? APD and BPC. These two are two semicircles. We have to remove or eliminate, or we have to subtract the two semicircles area from the total square. Then we will get the what is the actual shaded region. So let's going to write what is this measurements. This total length will be equal to 7 centimeter. And what is this here? The radius will be equal to, R will be equal to 7 by 2. So D acted as 7 centimeter. This is diameter. So D will be equal to 7 centimeter. Will you get it 7 centimeter or not? Yes, we will get it. So what is that? Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be equal to, what is that? Area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD minus area of semicircles. Area of semicircles, that is, what are the two semicircles here? APD plus semicircle BPC. So here we need to use the pi value, that 22 by 7. They are asking us to use pi value as 22 by 7. So this is the one. So area of, what is that? Area of square ABCD. Square ABCD will be equal to, that is side into side. The side will be equal to 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square. So here the area of the square, total square, will be equal to 49 centimeter square. From that total, if you eliminate or if you subtract these two semicircles areas, then we will get it as area of shaded region. So area of semicircle, what is that? Area of semicircle APD, that will be equal to half into pi r square. Area of circle half into, so in that half circle, right? Semicircle means half circle. So for that we need to take half of the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi will be equal to 22 by 7. Radius will be equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Why? Here R into R. So 2 ones are 2 11s are. What value we are getting here? So 7 ones are 7 ones are. Then 11 into 7 by 2 twos are 4. So 77 by 4. 77 by 4. What is the answer here? 77 by 4. So this is the value we are getting. Same like this, area of, similarly you can calculate area of, what you can say, area of semicircle BPC, that is half into pi r square. So half into pi will be equal to 22 by 7 into radius will be equal to 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are. 7 ones are 7 ones are. So 11 into 7 by 2 twos are 4. 77 by 4. So this is the value, 77 by 4. So total area of unshaded region, or total, you can take total area of two semicircles. What is that? Area of APD plus area of BPC. So total area of these two semicircles, that is 77 by 4 plus 77 by 4. So if you take LCM 4, you can get it. 77 plus 77. So what value will get? 77. So 77 into 2. 2 4s are 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 154 by 4. 154 by 4. So this is the one. Now what we have to calculate here is, so let's going to subtract this one. 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. Again 12 means 34 we will get. So 3 is 34. 4 5 is 20.5. 20. So 38.4. 4 3 is 12. 3 will be 30. 4 8 is 32. 32 again 2 will be 34. Then that is 38.5. So what is the area of shaded region? Therefore area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, that is area of what you can say, area of square ABCD minus area of semicircle, that is APD, plus semicircle BPC. So that is area of ABCD is nothing but what? 49 minus 38.5. So 49 minus 38.5. What answer we will get? So here 9 plus 1.5, that is 10.5. 10.5 centimeter square. So that is the value here. So what value we are getting here is 10.5. This is the way to find the calculations. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.